This is Eric Hammer, the man with a hat. I am here today to show you 10 sites that will pay you money for doing simple work. Okay? And a lot of these are fun things. You don't have to really get into doing hard stuff. You don't have to have technical skills. Pretty much anybody can make money on these sites. Some of them are only in the United States. So if you are not in the United States, some of these won't work for you, but most of these are available worldwide. Doesn't matter where in the world you are. And some of these I don't think you may have heard of, because I've done the research on here on YouTube, and I've looked around, and at least a couple of these sites don't get mentioned at all, for whatever reason. So this is really cool stuff. Stick with me to the end. But first, if you're new here, go ahead, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and hit the bell notification button. I'm telling you, it works wonders because you're going to be getting some great stuff here for free from me. Okay, I put out videos every single day, and I want to give you quality stuff. I don't want to give you fluff. You're not going to see me sitting here chattering endlessly about how successful I am. I'm just going to get right into the content. So let's go. Site number 1. This is called Level Rewards. Now, Level Rewards is a really cool website. It's what they call a CPA website. Basically means cost per action. And what you're going to do is you're going to actually go ahead and visit various offers. So, for example, we can take a look over here. View advertised offers. We'll have to log in first. But anyway, basically what you're going to get is like different offers from various websites. And these are free offers. Sometimes they ask you to fill out a survey. Sometimes they ask you to sign up for something. Whatever it is, you get points for every time that you go ahead and sign up to one of these places. And every single time that you sign up, you get more points, and then you cash out the money. It's simple, easy money. You don't have to spend anything to do it, and it's a great website to get started with. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. I'm going to give you a couple of different options, by the way, over here. So you're not going to see just things like Level Rewards where it's only you have to do surveys or whatever. Yes, I'm going to show you some survey stuff. I'm also going to show you some other ways of making money online, though, that you may not be aware of. So stick with me. Okay, let's go to number 2. This one is called Max Bounty. Okay, similar stuff to the first one. Max Bounty is also all about doing cost per action. Basically, the difference is that you're going to get other people to do it. You can just go onto your own Facebook account and say, hey, check this out. This is really cool, whatever it is. All right, very simple stuff, maxbounty.com. All right, let's take another look at some other things. Swagbucks. You may very well have heard of Swagbucks. Swagbucks actually will give you a bonus, a few dollars bonus just for signing up. You do need to get to a certain amount of money inside of Swagbucks before they're actually going to go ahead and pay out. I think it's like $25, $30, something like that. And again, this is survey stuff, but like I said, it's not going to be just survey stuff. There's a lot of stuff here, so stick with me. Okay, Swagbucks, they give you money. Okay, let's take a look at some other options. This is one I have not seen mentioned elsewhere. I used to do this all the time, and I used to make a lot of money doing this, actually. This is how I actually got started making money online. OnlineWritingJobs.com. Okay, this is a smaller site. They focus on quality. You do need to know how to write in English. If you don't know how to write in English really well, then this is not going to be for you. But if you can write in English really well, these guys actually have some jobs that will actually pay you some significant amounts of money. They have jobs that will pay you $30, $40, $50 to write a single article. You are going to have to put in the work. You're going to have to do some research. You're going to have to find links from quality websites that you can link back inside of your articles. But you can make some good money if you know how to write. Okay, another writing website is called textbroker.com. Textbroker.com. Okay, now Textbroker is interesting because almost anybody can write for them. And the difference is simply going to be that if you want the higher paying jobs, you have to show them that you know how to write. Okay, so they're going to start you off with the low paid jobs where you're going to get $2, $3, $4 for an article. You can knock these out really, really quickly, by the way. Basically, just the cheaper articles over here, they're not going to ask you to do a whole lot. They'll ask for a few hundred words, and basically what you do is you just go to Google. Let's go over to Google real quick. Let's say, for example, they want you to write about dog walking. Just look for articles on dog walking. Okay, and this is legit. They really do. They really do this. Okay, so we'll look for the articles on dog walking over here, and you're going to find a whole bunch of things here. You can actually go into Google News. That's probably the best way to do this. And you're going to see articles all about dog walking. All right. What you do is go ahead, click on some of these articles, read through them, and basically just reword what they're saying. You can't copy the text. If you copy, you're going to get banned from Textbook or any of these writing websites. So do not copy the text. But what you can do very, very easily and quickly is to go ahead and grab some of these links over here, look through them, and just reword it. So, for example, let's take a look at this. The laws around walking your dog could soon be a lot stricter. Okay, this is from the UK, and I'm just doing this off the cuff. So let's see what the article says. All right, so dog owners could be fined up to £1,000 for allowing their dogs to foul on commons, woodlands, and heath across South Gloucester. Okay, not very exciting stuff. Doesn't really matter though. Here's what's really cool. All you do is take this text and reword it. So you can say, instead of saying dog owners should be fined up to $1,000, this may not be the most appropriate thing because you have to do it based on what they're asking you to write about. But what you can do is simply reword it. So instead of saying dog walkers could soon be fined up to £1,000, you might want to say, do you own a dog? Be prepared to spend up to £1,000 if your dog decides to do business in the commons, woodlands, and heaths across South Gloucester. And you're golden. Okay, it's great. It's easy to do. Okay, all you have to do is find sentences, think about it, and say, okay, how am I going to make sure that this doesn't sound exactly the same? All right, and just reword it in your own words, and you can submit it. Text Broker, they're very, very easy about it, especially for the lower level stuff. You don't have to make it so perfect and polished. Try as much as possible as you can to make it perfect and polished. I'll tell you why, because you're going to get unlocked to the higher levels there, but you can start with the low stuff. Okay, so let's close out some of these websites so we can get on to other things. So let's close out Text Broker. Okay, we're going to close out online writing jobs. We're going to close out Swagbucks. Okay, we're going to close out. We're not there yet. We're going to close out Max Bounty. Okay, and we're going to close out Level Rewards. So we're moving along. All right, two more sites here. One is called Upwork.com. Okay, now the cool thing about Upwork.com is if you know how to do pretty much anything at all, like if you know how to write, if you know how to code, if you know how to do graphic design, if you know how you can put together a video, anything you could possibly imagine doing, people are looking for you to do it on Upwork.com. Okay, there's tens of thousands of jobs here in every category you could possibly imagine, and you go out to this website and you can sign up for it and basically pick whatever it is that you want to do, and there's going to be jobs here that you can do. Okay, you can see across the top: web development, mobile development, design, writing, admin support. You can answer phones for people. Literally, if you have an internet connection, you can set yourself up with a voice over internet phone, and you can actually answer phones for people. This is that simple. Okay, anything you could possibly imagine, you can do here on Upwork.com. Now, I have seen some people on YouTube talking about Upwork. I haven't seen anybody talking about this next website. This is called Gurucom. Same concept as Upwork.com. They have tens of thousands of jobs at any given time, and you can apply for the jobs. And these jobs actually pay pretty good money too. It's not where you're getting $1 or $2 an hour. You can actually make a decent living. A lot of people go onto Guru and Upwork and these kinds of websites, and they actually make really, really, really good money doing this. Okay, so it's really, really nice stuff. It's good money. Don't discount it and say, oh, it's a waste of time. No, there's real money to be made on these sites. I've actually made my living doing things on Guru, on Upwork, and on Textbroker, and on online jobs. Like I said, my start in making money online was from writing work. Okay, I happen to like writing. Anybody who visits my website, you're going to see how much I love to write. And the bottom line is, you can make money doing almost anything though on Guru.com or on Upwork.com. It's real money. It's not crap money. It's not $2 an hour money. Okay, I'm not sending you to something like I see a lot of people on YouTube talking about Amazon and Mechanical Turk, and you get paid like 8 cents for doing one of their tasks. So yeah, thanks a lot. 8 cents. What am I going to do with 8 cents? This is real money that you can actually make real money online. Okay, Inbox Dollars. Another place that will give you this is basically similar to Swagbucks. Basically, you're going to take surveys and do other offers, and you're going to get paid through PayPal. Okay, these are all legitimate places, and you can actually make some decent money from these places. All right, let's talk a couple more of these things, and I got one more place that is a little bit different than these things. All right, Abba.com. Same deal. Basically, you fill out surveys and you get money for it. Okay, anything from 50 cents to $5.50 per survey, and you can actually make some decent money doing this. By the way, I've done it. I've made money on these things. It's completely legit. All right, let's take a look at this one. This is Prize Rebel. It's a little bit different. It is also surveys, but they also have some other offers that you can fill in and not just make money from doing this. Okay, now Survey Spotter, again, survey website. All these places basically are survey websites. Now I want to show you one more. Actually, I think I'm going to throw in a bonus one that I just thought of. If I can find it for you real quick, I'm gonna throw in a bonus website for you. I think is really, really cool. Okay, so one more site this is number 10. This is called Playout. Playout is different than the other websites I told you about. Basically, all you do is you have to have a quality phone. You can sign up with Playout, and then basically what you're going to do is you call people, elderly people, and remind them to take their medication. So it's really, really a cool website, and you can make, I think it's like $15 an hour doing this. So, and you can work from home from anywhere in the world. They don't care where you are. What they care about is that you speak good English and that you have a good internet connection. Okay, and they're going to ask you to have a landline. Otherwise, they're going to ask you to have a get a VoIP phone. They will not accept a cell phone. So you do have to have some sort of phone, but it can be a VoIP phone, a voice over internet phone. Okay, let me pause the video real quick and I'll find you one more website that I think is going to be really cool for you. Okay, so as I was speaking, as I was doing this thing, I just suddenly remembered an 11th website that I think is really cool that I've looked at before. They're legit. You can make a good living from these guys. You do have to love kids, and if you don't love kids, you're not gonna be able to do this. And I happen to love kids, but I like teaching older kids, and this is teaching much younger kids. You're going to be basically you have to be very bubbly online, and you have to be able to do, teach English basically. That's what it is. So this is called VIP Kids Teachers, VIP Kids. Okay, you can earn between $14 to $22 per hour, and you do pick your own hours. You don't have to go and be available when they want you to. They do say that their top times are on the weekends, and I think it's also in the mornings that they say that is the best times for them. But you can pretty much work whenever you like, and you do have to apply here. There's not going to be just instant. I believe you do have to have a degree, but you don't have to have teaching experience. What's important to them is basically going to be that you have a bubbly type of a personality. You can go in there and say, "Hey, how are you doing, kids?" And kind of like help out. You're going to be teaching kids from China. and China has a lot of money right now, and the families there are willing to spend a lot of money for their kids to learn English. Okay, it's not super simple, but it's not super hard either. If you love kids, especially young kids, this is a great place to make money online. And you don't have to learn anything techie in order to do any of these things. Okay, all these 11 websites, there's nothing techie to learn. There's nothing hard about it. It's very, very easy and simple to do in order to make money online. So there you go, 11 websites to make money online. Nothing to do with affiliate marketing. There's nothing to buy here. All these websites are free to sign up for, and you can start making some decent money online. So go ahead, sign up, and get it. And if you like this video, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell. I put up videos every single day teaching you all kinds of cool stuff about making money online.